Hello and welcome back to our series. We have previously done some form in window. Let's see what we have done in previous video, and this is we have done in previous video. Let's go and make a one text box. Let's make a search. Run this. Here are some field. When I press enter, then it will not break the line. So I need one box that would support line break, and we can edit some text like a comment we use in any YouTube website or anywhere. Let's make the text box. I will say text box is equal to, it is of type text, and I should pass window that we have created, and I will define custom wide is equal to wide will be of 30 and height is equal to, height will be of, I think we will use 5. Let's grid it. That grid, I will grid this on row 4th. We have already grid in row 3, and column will be 0, and column span will be of 3. Let's make, this is text box. Let's see and what this appear here. Now we will see what it's appearing here. This is a text box. I need one scroll bar like this, which can scroll it, and when text is overflow, let's make that scroll bar. Let's say this is scroll bar is equal to, we should pass a scroll bar, and we should give window here that we have created above, and we have pass here orientation. Orient is equal to, I will make vertical, this is vertical, and if we make this side, this is horizontal, I will make this vertical, and we should give command to this line. Command is equal to, we should use this in text box, this box, and this we have to use in this box, and we should use vertical, that is vertical view. This is y view, this is y axis, this all is y axis, and this is x axis. Let's first grid it. That grid, let's grid it on, we will grid on row 4, and column is equal to 3. Why I have made 3 column has been taken by this text box, and 4th column we will use for this. Let's text box, let's configure text box. GUI configure, we have to configure this. Y scroll command, we should give y scroll command is equal to, we should give scroll bar dot set, we should set this scroll bar. Let's run and see if it's working or not. It should work here. Let's type here, yes, it's appear here, but it's, we should press here, but it is not. We should need this area, this whole area. Now for this we have to make sticky, like let's make here sticky. Sticky is equal to ns, means it will occupy whole area. Let's see if it works or not. Let's run it and find it. Yes, this is working share. This is how it works here. Now here we need one buttons here to submit here if we want to do anything here. Here I will make submit button is equal to button. We have to pass window here because we should grid on this window we have created. Here text I will give here, sorry for this, or it has gone. This is MIT submit, and I will give wide is equal to 20. I will grid it dot I want to grid here on row 5 and column is equal to 1. Let's see, let's save and run it. As we have got it. Now let's see here, there is no distance here between them, so I want to make some distance between the top of every element. First of all, we will pass here on this y-axis on the left side, and this, let's make how we will do this. First of all, this on the welcome text I will make padding in x-axis is equal to 10. It will pad x, and I will make pad y is equal to 10. Sorry, it will pad on 10 pixels, means it will margin it. Let's run and see what we get it on the result. It was already margined, and let's look here, it's going this side again, and have you seen this above and below, it is margin. But I don't need below, and I need only above side. This will margin if we pass here on variable, it will margin for both side, means either this side or this side in x-axis, minus x-axis or plus x-axis, and in y direction it in plus x-axis, y-axis and minus y-axis it will grid. But I don't need this, I just pass here padding of 10, and on top and bottom I will pass 0. Let's see and run and see it if it works or not. Yes, now it goes there. Now I want to pad this same for all of this. I will pass here also 0 with braces here. Let's pass it to all. Ctrl C. I have copied, paste, and here it will be paste on grid only because we are gridding this, so we have to make this on grid. Let's make it when we initialize height or width, we have to pass in this, and while we initialize, let's make this also and this also and this also, and I will make this only y-axis because I don't need x-axis. I want to attach with that position of the, and make this same. Let's see if we got some beautiful than previous years. We have get some beautiful here. Then I will make this 20 here, and I will make this where is text box and here is text box, and I will make 20 here. Let's save and run it. It should give me little bit a change. Yes, it have given me little bit a change. This is how we can change its style, and next video we will read about how we can change color and fonts. We will use fonts in next video maximally, and we will change the background color and foreground color of buttons and window too. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and share to your friend who needs this video and wants to learn some programming.